Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to easily create and design Facebook stories using templates on your phone. Using templates makes your stories look clean and professional without any extra apps. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. After that, tap on Create Story at the top. Then swipe left and tap on Templates. Now you will see different design templates. Scroll through these templates to find one that matches your mood or type of story you want to share. Once you find a template you like, simply tap on it. After that, select a picture from your gallery which you want to add to your story template. Then adjust the photo as needed within the template, resize or move it to fit perfectly, and you can add text, stickers or music if you want to make your story more engaging. Once you are happy with your design, tap on share button. Now your story will be shared on Facebook. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.